So hello guys, let's see another problem which is which gives you the understanding of what does a static means. So in an interview, there is a probability if someone wants you to check the concept of static thing. So what will happen? I had created a class order which is having a private variable count which will hold the count, and I had wrote down a method which will increment the count. Okay, if something happens it will increment. If this call is done, this counter getting increased, and a getter method to get the count. So this class order, what I did is I extended with a whiskey order. Okay, just for the understanding, and a beer order. Okay, so once whiskey is ordered, people generally don't ask for one bottle. What they will ask is get one shot of whiskey, right? Or one peg of whiskey, they will ask. When people will ask get one shot, what you need to do is you need to increment the count. Okay, at that time you have to increment the count. When they will ask for beer, what you need to do, you have to increment the count. Okay, cool. So now I had created two array. One is whiskey order array, one is a beer order array. Okay, now what we need to do is for each whiskey order, we need to call that method so that the count is there. Okay, we need to call that method. So whiskey order dot not whiskey order, this order dot get one shot. So for this object, one shot is called. For this object, one shot is called. Okay, cool. Same thing happens for dot get one bottle. So this is the two method. I had created an array, and for each and every object I give one shot. I call the method get one shot. For each and every beer order, for each and every object, you see one object, two object, and third object. For every object I am saying that get one bottle. So what I'm thinking is, what will be the value, what will be the value of count for this order? When a whiskey order is done, what will be the value? When this whiskey order is done, what will be the value? When this beer order is done, what will be the value of the count for particular object? For this object, what will be the count? This is what we want to know. So what I'll do is I'll check what is the count. Okay, so south, so south, I'm doing this as south. What happens, I'll do the whiskey order dot get count, how many orders we will have, and the same thing we will do with beer order dot get count. So this is showing me the whiskey order count, and this will show me the beer order count. Okay, So once you will run this main method, what will be your expectation? What will be the value? The get count value. Okay. So when you will run it, what will happen? You will get 3 to 5. Whiskey order count is also 5. Beer order count is also 5. Okay. Why is it so? So you think that this implementation is different. This implementation is different. We know the static. Till now, you know that static has one value, right? What does a static has? Static has only one memory location. But for different objects also, you see here whiskey, beer order. For different objects also, the same copy is available. Suppose that you will have a whiskey order here. Okay. For this also, the same copy is available. This order object order copy is available, and for this beer order also, the same thing is available. There is nothing different. So that when you're given a counter, count one and count two, what we are thinking, we thought that this whiskey order will have 2 count and beer order will have 3 count, right? This is what we think. But actually, Java will provide only one copy. When this class is loaded, we have a static value count, which will be shared among all the references. The same count value is shared among this whiskey order and this beer order. It won't be different. And if third class is there, fourth class is there, fifth class is there, the same thing will happen. Okay. So this is just a simple understanding of static. Variable understanding, in a class you will declare a variable, an instance variable, and you can check. That is very simple. But what happens at the class level, not at the field level? Here, this case is little bit different. So uh, what I try to explain why this had happened. So I hope you like this video. So till then, bye bye.